Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials and the first actionable step, power off the phone now. Once the screen is dark, press and hold the vendor key combo, usually power plus volume down, until the bootloader appears. This exposes recovery options. If you plan to use ADB, make sure USB debugging was enabled beforehand and connect to a PC. Your machine must recognize the device. While in bootloader, note boot options: recovery, factory, boot. This matters for the next selection step. Once done with bootloader navigation, use volume keys to move to recovery and press power to confirm. That action triggers the recovery image to load. If you're using ADB from a PC, run a DB reboot recovery. This bypasses key combos and is faster when USB debugging is active. For custom recoveries, flash the correct IMG via fastboot flash recovery file. IMG, then reboot into recovery. You need a matching build to avoid bricks. Make sure bootloader unlock status and compatibility are verified. You finish by executing the recovery task you intended. Wipe cache, apply update, or install a zip via ADB sideload, and then choose Reboot System Now. That returns the device to normal operation. If the phone boots into a loop, make sure to try clearing cache partition first, then reflash stock recovery or factory image only if necessary. If the device is unresponsive, confirm fastboot or ADB sees it, retry the hardware key combo, and consider vendor repair tools as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.